taller trailers are pretty good.
I just, like I told you, man, I went and looked at that one. And what do you think? You like it? You like it? If you was buying a trailer, is that the one you'd buy? We will send a free t-shirt. All you got to do. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this episode, we got something new. We actually got two things new, something that we needed for a long time. We went to the Facebook Marketplace. We were looking around for a car trailer, and you know what? We went and looked at some. They thought they were new, so we just said, you know what? We'll go to Max Built Trailers. We'll buy us a brand new trailer. So we bought us an 82 by 20 car trailer with a steel floor. And then to go with it, right behind me here, is a 2015 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road four-wheel drive truck that had a little bit of damage. This truck's got a little bit of good and a little bit of bad. You know us, we're gonna get it fixed up. It's got a pretty good lick here to the right side. I'm gonna show you all this in just a few minutes. But first things first, we'd like to see if we could get this sucker started up. So I jumped up there, I checked the oil, I checked the water. So I want to get this truck started and see if it'll run. So let's do that and let's get it running. As you can see, it is a striker off-road design. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna Google it. But this is a sure enough TRD off-road. It's got the rear locker. It's got everything. This thing's got a clean title, believe it or not. It is a clean title truck. We're gonna fix it up. It's gonna make an absolute beautiful truck. We do have our work cut out for us, but I think what we'll do first, before we look it over just a ton, we can't get it off the trailer, so we might as well give this thing a nice wash, get it all cleaned up, get it looking like something, and then maybe start taking the front end apart, getting ready for the parts to come in. So this right here is the worst of the worst of it. The suspension took a really good lick. It ripped every bit of it out. So I went ahead and ordered every bit of that suspension stuff today. Of course, we're gonna have to get it up on the frame machine and pull out some of this madness. But I don't think it's gonna be that bad. It's got a lot of good things. It's got upgraded headlights. It's got two light bars and ditch lights. And I hope that grill makes it. Maybe it will. But down this side, not too bad. A little bit of skint on the door, and this probably happened at the Copart. But we can fix that door. We'll replace that door. This is not bad at all. nice wash, makes it look 100% better already. We're so glad that we bought this trailer because we can just leave this truck sitting on it. If we would have paid somebody to deliver this thing to us, I have no idea how we could have got it unloaded, but we didn't. We bought this trailer and everything is coming together on this truck. It looks really good. Can't wait to get it on the frame machine and get started. But I noticed that the bed of this truck had just a ton of junk in it. So let's check it out and see what we got in the bed of the truck. What in the world have we got in here? That's a lot of junk. That is a lot of junk. Some of it ain't for this car. This is something that we need. I don't even know if I can get this thing out. This is our wheel, our hub, steering knuckle, brake caliper. We got everything on this thing. I'm gonna try to get it down. It may come all the way all at once. Maybe more than I bargained for. Got the casing off. Got it. Go ahead and get some of the trash out. Definitely a lot of trash, but this right here is good. I mean, this is good. We can use, well, you know, the brake rotors are bad, but look, these are upgraded. These are upgraded brake rotors, but we can use some of this stuff to get the truck off the trailer. So I'm excited we found some of that. Maybe the brake caliper is good. So that's a good find. So this truck already came with some nice fuel wheels. They're nice and big and wide, and we really like that. But to make it simpler, to make it better, I think I want to take them all off. It's just going to help us to get it off the trailer, help us get it on the frame machine. So we're going to jack this sucker up, get these wheels off, get it going, get it a little bit closer to the ground. So let's hop to it. I really feel like we made some huge strides and progress on this truck. We got it in, we went straight to work. That's what we do. We don't just pile them up and stack them up. So we got the control arm off. We got just a little bit of suspension parts left that we've got to get off. We got to get the upper control arm off. We got to get what's left of this strut off. We got to get the rack and pinion off, which will be the most difficult thing to do. I've took them off these trucks before. It's not the funnest thing to do. So we're going to go ahead and jack up the other side, take the wheel off, get everything ready. We'll have all these suspension parts off and out of the way, ready for the new stuff to come, so we can just bolt it right on, back it right off the trailer, drive it right on the frame machine, get right to work, and we can get this thing right back to being the Striker Force off-road unit that it needs to be. So let's stop talking and let's get it done. We will send a free t-shirt. All you got to do is comment how to get this antenna off. Every single time we take this fender off, we have to buy a new antenna because we cannot get those antennas off. Paid $50 for the tool set that fits the nut right here. So far that hasn't worked. We spray PB Blaster on it for a few days before we try to take it loose. Comment below how to get the antenna off. We will send you a t-shirt to the best idea that gets it off. Man, we're making such great progress on this truck. Everything is turning out amazing. We got some of the suspension parts out. We got some new stuff going back in. We got some brake lines all lined up. We got our speed sensor all lined up. We got the rack and pinion loose and everything's ready to come out. I just got it draining. I think I'm gonna have to cut them long bolts, and all my cutting equipment's up at JP's. So we got everything coming together. Everything is going our way. So as soon as those parts come in, we'll be able to put them right under there, and we will be able to get this thing off the trailer and get it on the frame machine. This Striker edition is turning out 100%. Super excited about this build. If you like content like this, drop us a like. Possibly consider subscribing to the channel. We rebuild lots of stuff and do lots of things. It's a lot of fun. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Catch you guys next time. We're out.